In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the third brake light on your Hyundai Elantra so that when you brake, it looks like this. Let's get started. Open the driver's side door, release the trunk. Now, once the trunk is open, that's the third brake light. Now, the way to access that bulb is right under the light, right there. Now, first off, we need to take off the electrical connector. So there's a tab there, pinch it and pull it out. It should come right out. Next, we need to take off the bulb holder. So the way to take it off is just grab it and twist it left. It may be a little bit hard, don't worry. Take some time, but it will come right out though. Now, once the bulb holder is out, we need to take the bulb off, which is easy. Just press the bulb down and twist it left and it will come right out. That's the new replacement bulb. It comes in pairs. It's pretty inexpensive. Usually you can get it for like $5-7 from Amazon. Let's get the bulb out and let's compare the two bulbs. That's the old bulb I took out of the vehicle. See how the filament's busted and the bulb is discolored? And that's the new bulb. Let's put the new bulb back in. We need to align the bulb with the slots on the bulb holder. So align the pins with those slots, push it down, twist it right, and done. Now, see that big tab there on the bulb holder? That aligns with the slot on the rear of the vehicle. Put the bulb holder back in, twist it right, clicked in place. Let's not forget to connect the electrical connector. It just goes in one way. Put it in and push it. Let's try it out. That looks good, right?